So, namaste. Today is sixth day, I think, sixth day of 7 day of manifestation. What was fifth day? Fifth day was give back. That means your valued money should spend in such a way it adds value to the people's life, right? Now, if you see others, people say you spend money by seeing your earning. But here, when you go with a thank you universe, when you go in the right direction, your spending decides how you are going to earn the money. Your spending on which energy you are spending, that will come as your income source. And your spending is always gives universe in folds. Now it is up to you how you spend your money. So give back. Give back is adding a value to others' life, right? Whatever you earn. Now 6 days, stay positive. Stay positive is it's not that uh, the positive people they don't get the situations. It's not that the negative people only get the situations. Now staying positive, being connected with the higher source, you have one extra advantage is that you know how to handle the situations. Now, small example, the rain is there, you will have to take the umbrella. Now, it is rain is there, you are going for your goal, or rain is there, you are stopping yourself. That decides you. So, all the situations, 24 hours for everyone, situations is for everyone. Staying positive gives you advantages how to handle your situations, how to handle situations positively, and how to overcome your challenges winningly. So that is what is the positive. When you stay positive, you speak positive, we vibrate higher. Your positive vibration is influence your surrounding. When you stay positive, you speak positive. That is inspiring yourself, raising your own vibration, upgraded, and raising your surrounding vibration, feeling comfortable to stay together and hold together your as a collective energy. You raise yourself vibration, right? When you speak negative, or when you find someone's negative quality or you speak negative, the first, again, you remember I told that everything happens twice. One inside your mind, second material. Now when you speak negative, you create that negative talk inside you. You have made your vibration to go low down, going down to your vibration. You vibrate negatively and you react negatively, and the situation, the challenges what you are facing, we are not able to overcome that, or it go in different direction. It is never to the goal. Now when you stay positive and you have decided for the manifestation, like the day one, now we are going the 7 day of manifestation. The day one you have decided what to manifest. When you have decided what to manifest, the 6th day, staying positive is more important, because when you go on your right path for the manifestation, you will be finding lot of challenges where universe will give you to test to yourself. To test you, universe will give lot of challenges. Most of the challenges are the illusion. Most of the challenges, it shows like challenge, but to test you how you are overcoming. When you don't stay positive, you are out of focus of your goal and you get failed. So this is most important when you go for the manifestation process, because universe has to give you the challenges to distract you from your path, to take you out from your path, to test you. Once you stay positive and move ahead, you are reaching. Tomorrow will be the day 7th, which will be the last. If you have gone through all the 6 days of exercise, the 7 days is the beautiful. You will be okay. I'll tell tomorrow. Thank you.